Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to day trade small cap stocks on eTrade platform. Now, small trade, small cap stocks, these are companies with a market cap of roughly $300 million. Okay, so you can come here, eTrade, come to trading, stocks and ETFs. You can enter the ticker symbol. So let's say this one. Okay, you'll get all the information on it right here as well. And you can choose what you want to do with it. If you want to buy, you want to sell. These kind of stocks go from $300 million to $2 billion. They move fast. They have high volatility. It's perfect, for day trading if you manage the risk properly. So we have the symbol. You choose the action. Let's say you want to buy, you want to sell. Let's choose buy. The price type. Is it market? Is it limit? Whatever it is, let's do market. You can do for the whole day. You can do all or none. See the estimated cost. You can place your order. Okay. And you can view it as well. As you can see, this one is open. It's good for the day, right? And then we can go ahead and also sell. So if you have stocks right here, so accounts complete view, you can sell the stocks you have. So they've gained $15.61. We have this one right here. You can trade it. Come here. You can go ahead and sell it as well. So you can choose a fund to sell, say Vanguard. This one right here. You can sell the entire position if you would like to do so as well. Just preview the order and go through with it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.